Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to learn how to reduce fractions. Pretty much all you're doing is you're taking something and you're making it a smaller version of the exact same thing. If you dealt with similar triangles, it's just like that. They're the exact same, but it's just a smaller version of it. A dilation is another relation to this. And it's like in Austin Powers, if that's still a thing people talk about, where Dr. Evil and Mini-Me is 1/8 the size. So, anywho, let's talk about reducing it. This is what you do. Take whatever you have, look at the top number and the bottom number, and find out what the greatest common factor of both of those is. So, for instance, I'll take 3 and 9. What can I multiply to equal 3? 3 and 1. That's really all you got. What can you multiply equal 9? 9 and 1, and then 3 and 3. Alright, now we'll go to the smaller of the two, take the largest number, and we'll start trying it, because you want to go greatest common factor, so always start with the one that's biggest. Do we have a 3 over here? Of course. So that means that's the greatest common factor. So what we're going to do is we'll take our 3 over 9, and then we just divide the top number by that, which 3 divided by 3 is 1. Divide the bottom number by that, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and we have our reduced fraction. Now, can anything else go into 1 and 3? No, because 1 is the only thing that can go into 1, and then we know it can go to the other one, but it's not going to reduce anything, because I divide the top by 1, the bottom by 1, I get the same thing. Alright, let's do another quick example that's similar but different. Okay, let's try. Say we got 14 over 49. Okay? So, let's do the same thing. Now, I'm going to give you a shortcut. You know how the last time I did 14 and 49 and I simplified them both and I did all the things that multiply? You only have to do it for the smaller of the two, okay? And I'll tell you why. Let's go 14 and 1, and then 7 and 2, and that's pretty much it. Okay? You can pretty much start with just the smaller one because you have to find a greatest common factor has to go into both of them. So essentially it's going to have to go into this one. Remix, I don't know what that means. Okay, so we're looking at this one, and we want to start with the largest, because if we want to do greatest common factor, first letter there is greatest, so we look for the biggest one first. So does 14 go evenly into 49? It's divided by 14, does it? No, it doesn't. Okay, so then we look at the next one, which would be 7. So, 7 going to 49? Heck yeah! So we just divide the top by 7, which would be 2. Divide the bottom by 7, which is 7. Does 2 over 7 reduce anymore? Nopers. And that's it. And that's how you reduce fractions. Pretty easy. If you need any more help, just tweet a picture to me and I'll work the problem and try to put it on the internet as a video and you can be helped.
Hey, thanks for showing up. Give me a subscribe and check out tarveracademy.com. Pizza?